Hi guys, it's me again, Leng, your property specialist, and today, andito tayo sa Brookstone Park sa Trece Martires, Cavite. At ang gusto ko dito, along the highway lang, super accessible, hindi ka na mahihirapan bumiyahe. Surrounded pa siya ng important establishments like Kapitolyo ng Cavite, SM Trece, public markets, Pure Gold, Walter Mart, Cavite State University, private schools, Korean hospital, and even BIR. So kung mahilig ka mag-grocery, may errands, o may kids na nag-aaral, sobrang convenient. Pagpasok sa community, ang ganda ng vibe. Malinis, well-maintained, at may regular na grass cutting. Plus, malalapad ang major roads kaya safe mag-drive at hindi congested. Modern design ng mga bahay dito, and syempre, hindi lang itsura ang maganda. Quality-wise, gamit nila yung traditional hollow block construction, kaya matibay at pang long term talaga. Ngayon guys, let's talk about lot only, kasi ito yung isa sa mga best offers dito. Una sa lahat, hindi mo na kailangan mag-intay ng pre-selling. Ready for construction na agad, so kung gusto mong magsimula ng bahay ASAP, perfecto para sa'yo. Ang maganda pa dito, yung 10% down payment payable up to 15 months for as low as 7,026 per month. Yes, ito ang lowest monthly down payment in the South, kaya sobrang gaan sa bulsa. At ito pa ang pinakabongga, reserve today, pay next year promo. Yes, tama ang narinig mo. Next year pa magsisimula ang monthly down payment mo, kaya magagamit mo pa ang extra budget mo ngayong holiday season. Ang ganda, di ba? Here are the property details. Lot only starts at 2.1 million for 100 square meters. Townhouses starts at 2.7 million. Single attached starts at 4.2 million. And single detached starts at 4.9 million. And ang ating reservation fee, nag-i-starts lang siya ng 10,000 to 20,000 pesos. Ang maganda dito guys, pwede ito sa bank financing, pag-ibig financing, at in-house financing. Kaya kung ano ang preferred mo, covered ka dito. So ayun guys, if gusto nyo na accessible, malinis, at quality community na ready for construction, sobrang recommended ko ang Brookstone Park. Message me if gusto nyo ng site tripping or pool computations. I'm here to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you sa next vlog!